Welcome to Vihara Tech, your gateway to excellence in technology and career growth. Vihara Tech is a premier edtech institute dedicated to empowering students with cutting-edge technical skills. Our mission? To bridge the gap between learning and career success. Gain hands-on experience with our internship programs and get certified. We connect students with top companies, ensuring real-world exposure and industry readiness. At Vihara Tech, placements aren't just a goal, they're a guarantee. Our strong industry network ensures our students land top job opportunities. Join a thriving community of ambitious learners. Our students come from diverse backgrounds, united by one vision: success in the tech industry. Our top performing students have secured placements in leading organizations. Their journey at Vihara Tech is a testament to our quality training and mentorship. Learn in-demand skills with our specialized courses: AWS DevOps, Data Science with Generative AI, Data Analytics, and Java Full Stack. Get hands-on training from industry experts. Experience the best facilities. Our labs are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, and we ensure a balanced learning environment with recreation and gaming zones. Prepare like a pro. Our mock interviews and tests simulate real-world hiring processes, ensuring students are job-ready from day one. Stay ahead of the curve with our expert-led seminars. Gain insights, network with professionals, and learn from the best in the industry. Collaboration is key. Our students' group discussions enhance critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills, essential for a successful career. Learn from the best. Our trainers are industry veterans, dedicated to mentoring students and shaping their careers with expert guidance and support.